Hello. In this video, we intend to withdraw the amount that we previously deposited into the ExpertOption broker using the MasterCard method. You log into your account at the ExpertOption broker. Select the Finance option, then choose the Withdraw option. In the Method section, we select the Visa Master option. We select the amount we intend to withdraw based on the available balance. In this section, we select the card with which we intend to withdraw the amount. And also, after selecting the items, you click on the New Request option. After filling in the information related to the card number you intend to withdraw from and the card's expiration date, you click on the New Request option. We have submitted the withdrawal request and are currently under review. You can also check the status of the withdrawal in the Payment History section, where when the status changes from new to paid, it means that the amount has been returned to the MasterCard you used to fund the account. It is noted here that this process takes 2 business days. After 3 to 5 days, the withdrawn amount will be deposited to the Visa or MasterCard you used to fund the account, and in the Status section, you can see that its status has changed from new to paid. In other videos, we will cover the remaining deposit and withdrawal methods of the ExpertOption broker together. Good luck.